Okay, welcome back guys. This was the continuations from part 2. We are still in the number 5C here. Okay, if we have like this kind of questions, we need to expand it first. For x squared is equals to x multiplied by x is x squared plus x multiplied by 1 is x. Put it in the left sides for all of them. So for x squared minus x is equals to 0. For x squared minus x squared is 3x squared minus x is equals to 0. Since it is not in a complete of quadratic equations like ax squared plus bx plus c, we don't have any constants here, means we can just find the common value between the 3x squared minus x. So we have x, right, for the common factor. So the rest is going to be 3x squared divided by x divided by x is equals to 0. X is multiplied with 3x squared. Actually, you will have a 3xx. Alright, hold on. This one is 3xx. So x, you cancel 1x at the top, and then you still have the 3x. X, it is not going to be a 0, but you have a 1. Is equals to 0. So your solution is going to be x is equals to 0 or 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. So 3x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 over 3. We have two answers here. Right, now let's move on to number 6. We need to do the simultaneous equations. There is no instructions about the substitution or elimination, so that we can just use any substitution or eliminations. Right, if it is eliminations, means you have to multiply this by 3, this one is by 5 to eliminate this, right? So that you will have a 15x minus 3y equals to 26 multiplied by 3. It is going to be 78. Okay, continue. 3 multiplied by 5, it's 15x minus 20y equals to 105 here. Because of 21 multiplied by 5, it is 105. Okay, since you have the same positive and positive here, means we have the eliminations. Remember, if you have both positive or both negative, you do the minus. But if you have a plus and then minus and plus, means you do the additions. Okay, right, so 15x minus 15x is a 0x. Negative 3y minus with negative 20y is equals to 78 minus with 105. So negative 3y plus 20y is equals to 105. 78 minus 105, it is going to be negative 27. Then you will have a positive 17y is equals to negative 27. So your y is going to be negative 27 over 17. It is multiplications, yeah. If you move it to the other sides, means you do have a division, okay, not minus. We are done for number 6y, but actually we need to find the x also, right? So we can just use eliminations. Y is equals to negative 27 over 17. So 5x minus y-nya, so y you input it as a negative 27 over 17 equals to 26. Okay, if I don't want to work with the fractions, so I multiply them with 17. 5 multiplied by 17, it is going to be 85. X minus, ketemu minus. When you have a minus and minus, means you have a plus. 27. Because of 17 here, when you multiply it with 17, so the fraction is gone. equals to 26 multiply with 17, it is going to be 442. So 85x equals to 442 minus 27. It is going to be 415 is equals to 85x. So x is equals to 415 divided by 85. Okay. We can simplify it. So divide them by 5, yeah. Sorry, divided by 5. Okay. So we have x is equals to 83 over 17. Y is equals to negative 27 over 17. Please check and recheck with your own working, yeah. Okay, now let's move on to the 7a. It's supposed to be a here. B, C. Okay. 7a, actually, if we need to expand and simplify, if you still remember the a plus 6, a minus 6, remember? A plus b and a minus b. Do you still remember? It is going to be a square minus b square. So actually in this number 7a is basically the same thing. Your a is going to be, identify your a is 4 over m and b is a 6, right? So we can just leave it as this a square minus b square. So 4 over m square minus 6 square. 4 square is 16. M square, just m square. Minus 6 square, it is 36. Done. You don't need to simplify it unless you want to leave it as a single fractions. Also fine. This one is also fine, okay? Now let's move on to the other one. Look, we have a plus n square. Do you still remember about this? So if you have like this kind of a plus b square, means you will have a plus b, right? You can do it also like that. Tapi, do you still remember about the a square plus b square plus 2ab? It is going to be our properties in algebraic properties actually, yeah. You can just identify what is your a here. It is 3x. Or you can just do this directly. Also fine. 3x plus 2y if you want to, and if you don't remember these properties, it's fine, okay? But if you want to do this, you have to identify your a is basically 3x, b is equals to 2y, and then you input it to this one, okay? But let's do the expansion here. So 3x multiplied 3x is 9x squared plus 3x multiplied by 2y is 6xy. Do this. 2 multiplied by 3, it is 6xy plus 4y squared. So you will have 9x squared plus 16xy plus 4y squared. Done. Do you want to recheck with the other one? So a square means you have a 3x square plus 2y square plus 2 multiply 3x multiply 2y. So you have 9x squared plus 4y squared plus 12xy. The same thing. We have the same thing, right? Okay, I think that's all for this part. We can continue with the next video in the part 3.